lack of growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth in 8 weeks.
Also available for teens.
Trying to explain the strategy.
Naghang? Haggard at stress, sis?
Ang stress nakakaubos ng nutrients. Take Stress Tabs. Tulong maibalik ang nawalang nutrients.
Para F na F. Ganda ng gising, ah.
Nandito na ang totoong #1. Ako at ang CDO Fantastic Tocino. Gawa ito sa 100% young pork, kaya may tamang lambot at sarap ng tocino. Ay! Eksena ka? Fantastic ang #1.
CDO.
Ang deserve mo, San Marino Corn Tuna. Siksik, sarap at sulit. See? Konti lang ang mantika. Lusap na lusap ang tuna sarap. Switch to San Marino Corn Tuna. The love you deserve.
Some like it cheesy, some like it hot. Red hot cheesy. My kick, my spice, my crunch. Some like it cheesy, some like it red hot, hot, hot.
Red Hot Cheesy. Birch Tree Fortified. Ang gatas na may tripling lakas. Tulong sa brain lakas, bone lakas, at immunity lakas. Araw-arawin ang sarap at tripling lakas ng Birch Tree Fortified. 750 lang per glass. Sulit!
Natakam yarn! Lucky Me Pansit Canton. Takam bango! Takam sarap! Kakain na yan! Lucky Me Pansit Canton. Sarapiness!
Happy Me.
Taas ng lagnat? Ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Sawa.
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Taisho.
May diarrhea si baby. Mag-ingat sa dehydration. Mag-Vivalite. Vivalite is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Yummy!
Mag-ingat sa dehydration, mag-Vivalite.
From Taisho.
Makakakuha ng impormasyon.
Baldomero Anastasio. Kabatch siya ni Kuya sa NIA. May nag-delete ng data niya.
Digmaan Pro Fighting. With our new integrated betting system, it makes it easy for them to place bets.
Malalaman ang koneksyon.
Anong baligtad?
Darlo J. Caparas. Totoy Bato. Weeknights, 7:15 p.m. Pagkatapos na ang mutya ng Section E sa Primetime Primera.
In just a few moments more, we'll be asking everybody to head out to the